New model Range Rover Sport 2023. Every single black one I've got, which has came in like this with delivery miles, sold within hours. This has just arrived. It's a Dynamic SE. It's in Santorini Black. It's got beautiful cloud interior. It's a 300 brake horsepower diesel. It's also got sliding sunroof, electric Towbar, 21-inch wheels. It's just a beautiful delivery miles 2023. Ready to go, price to sell. So just call us, get it reserved. You know, people who are, a lot of the cars we're selling are for customers. They've ordered one, they're waiting for it, and they're just sick of and tired of having to wait for the new car. Well, this car is available and it's ready to go. Dynamic SE as well, so you've got dynamic styling. You can see them sections of the front splitter, the inserts, digital headlights, which are beautiful. You've got that new beautiful slick front end. You've then got 21-inch wheels finished in anthracite grey. Privacy glass on the back. You've got them new deployable door handles. But the big one with this, for me, is the interior. People love the new cloud interior, especially against a Santorini Black car. So we've got these, look at these lights. New LED lights at the back. How nice are them? Especially when the car's black. Then you've got rear diffuser, which is all done in black. And like I said, you can see it's a 2023 model car, this. So just call us. It's got 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover assist. Now, look at this for an interior. Beautiful cloud, which is almost white ivory. You've got that wonderful interior. They've changed a lot of the features. You know, lots of things are standard now. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. This steering wheel is beautiful. So this is ebony and cloud, but they do it in two-tone. So there's your heated steering wheel, your adaptive cruise control. You've got your digital cockpit. You've then got this 13.1-inch screen, which has got all your surround camera. I'll just put it in reverse. There you've got your full surround camera system, which is really up to date. Towing assist, because the car has a reversing camera and with a towing assist, so when you put your electric tow bar, it shows you how all that works. Digital climate control, multimedia, you've got wireless charging under there. Tilt, so you've got an internal blind for your sunroof, and then you've got a tilt and slide. There we go. Expensive option. People, a lot of the cars that have been turned up have just got fixed glass roof, tilt and slide. But I think for me it's the interior colour. The cloud just sets the car off absolutely beautiful. Look at it in the back. You have rear heated seats in the back as well, which I'll just show you. And they've made the space in the rear that little bit bigger. So we've got Meridian speaker system, two-tone interior in the back, rear heated seats, electric rear seats. Just very, very nice. And I'll just show you boot space. Huge boot space, as you'd expect. And one of the big changes is, with all these seats being electric, you can press the buttons like that if you do need extra boot space, and it's just very, very easy. And then to finish, we have press the button, electric deployable tow bar. Even if you're not going to use the tow bar, press, you know, it's worth having as an extra because it's tucked away. So another 2023 Santorini Black with cloud interior, going live with the sliding roof, delivery miles. Thank you for watching.